Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. It has been way too long since I've done a product review, and one as cool as this. Full disclosure, I bought these pen tips myself, but when I reached out to the company to tell them that I wanted to review them, they also sent me some freebies and to try out, and then I became a partner. So in the link below, if you purchase one, I do get a little commission for the sale. But I wanted to make sure it was something I liked, so I ended up trying these out. See, and what I did too is, since I got so many, I handed them out around school, and just to hear what other people like to say. So I'm still waiting on some of those students to let me know if they like it or not. And as a partner, they sent me this awesome magnetic screen protector, which is awesome because this one is falling apart. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can see it there. This is Tech Armor. I've used Paperlike. Not a fan of Paperlike. One, they destroy your nibs, which is another reason why I bought these pen tips. I have been going through so many of these tips from Apple, and $20 for a pack of 4, whereas these pen tips, I think it was like $10 for 5. I'll show you what they look like. They do go on sale a lot, so it might be cheaper now. So I'm going to do 2 separate tests. I'm going to test it sans screen protector and with the new screen protector. One thing I did notice, that the Tech Armor screen protector, because the tooth is a little bit finer than Paperlike, these pen tips do not like it. I'll show you right now. Whenever I try to just zoom in a little bit, this is Alucard that I'm just doing right now. Anytime I go really, because I really like to use my blenders and stuff. Anytime I get way too close, I feel like the tip is going to come off. I don't know if you can see it there. Come on, there we go. I start rubbing on the screen and it just feels like it's going to come off. But here I'm just going to get a blender. Everything works really well. So I don't really feel like I'm connected to the screen, even though everything's working. But I don't get the same pressure. It just seems slightly bigger because the screen protector's there. I'm going to try it without the screen protector because some people just might not want a screen protector. You'll see the brightness difference when I take the screen protector off compared to nothing at all. I just feel like I'm really getting in there a lot better. But let me just take Alucard off the screen real quick. I'm going to try to do a straight line using one of my favorite brushes. This is the Square Pickle from Trent's Brush Pack. You can hear, the scratchiness from the screen protector. Now we got the nib on. It's a lot quieter. The line has a little bit of a wobble to it, but not much. So if you can compensate for that wobble, and once you start doing it enough, it's not too bad. If you can compensate for that wobble, then it's not going to be a problem if you're using a screen protector. But next we're going to test the pen tip without the screen protector, because that's really the main use for it. These are made for people who just don't want a screen protector, but they're tired of hearing the tapping for the screen. So sometimes I hate taking screen protectors off because, what's going to happen. But you can already see the glare. The screen has changed quite a bit, but the colors pop. Screen protector really hides those colors and mutes the colors. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but I'll show you one one piece that's a lot more colorful. Well, here, this Bebop. Now, watch when I put the screen protector on it. Those colors feel a little muted, but maybe it's me. So now I have the pen tip on there, and I'm going to switch to the blender. Make sure I'm on the right layer here. Take all that extra stuff off. Oh, it feels so weird. This is what most people using screen protectors hear now with the pen tip. Much quieter. I do feel a nice, now that the screen protector's off, that size difference doesn't really bother me too much. Let me try the brush now. Yeah, I'm not getting that same wobble. So it could have just been the screen protector. So if you go really fast, you will hear a squeak. But I guess it is better than hearing this. This is the squeak you'll hear. I'm going to try a different one. So the white is the one that Pen Tips graciously sent me. The white box. But I purchased red. So that it kind of goes with my Apple Watch and my sneakers. Kind of like to accessorize my Bluetooth speaker. Oh, even my AirPod case is red. So yeah, so it was just that white one. Maybe I scratched it up pretty well using the screen protector. So it's always good to test stuff out before, you make any assumptions. That's what's taking me so long to make this video, because I wanted to mess around with the pen tips, but I was waiting to take the screen protector off until the Pen Mat 2 came in. And we're going to unbox that in just a moment. Oh, what are you talking about? Jeez, this thing going crazy on me. What I really want to see is those edges. I have this one brush that I like to use by Art Stack, and it has a really fine point, you see. So I want to use that fine point here, see if I can really get those highlight textures. It's like night and day difference from having the Tech Armor screen protector. And I'm not saying anything bad about Tech Armor. It's been a great screen protector. But I did notice that whenever I switched to my my Magic Keyboard, these areas would start to fray. So it's, maybe down the road I'll try it, but I am so stoked to try a magnetic screen protector. Just the idea that I can pop it off and put it back on at will. Because the screen protector, once you peel it off, it kind of, you can't really use it anymore. But I am really stoked with how this tip's been working. I'm really getting a nice flow that you normally miss with a screen protector. I kind of miss being able to just draw right on the raw screen, like when I first got the iPad. I've had to overcompensate so much for the screen protector. The screen protector saves the screen, it gives you that paper feeling, but there's always going to be that parallax, that disconnect from the screen and the stylus. With this, I don't feel that disconnect anymore. Granted, this is just one art piece. I draw so many different styles. Sometimes I draw with, the side of the brush. So we're going to try that now. I'm going to take this and switch to charcoal. Well, let's go for a brighter one just so it shows up. And I'm going to use the side brush here. No, I want a new layer. Wow. That is... I will say I haven't been able to use this iPad this way in so long. And just seeing these colors pop again is awesome. You kind of forget how vibrant the iPad colors are from using a screen protector so much. The camera is probably not catching this, but that's why I want to zoom in so you can really see the colors. Alright, now for the unboxing. As you see here, this is for the 12.9 inch iPad Pro. Screen Protector 2. Just to go over some of the stuff here, says it's seamless integration and removal. So it's designed for effortless attachment and removal. It's discreet, built-in nib at the top left allows for instant mark-free adjustments, ensuring your workflow remains uninterrupted. Ooh, I did not notice that. Huh. That might be a game changer on its own. Tailored experience. Experience the diverse sensation of digital art or note-taking with the PenMat 2. I'm not going to read all of it, but you guys can check it out there. Compatibility with the Apple Pencil and a wide range of iPads. And then Riptide technology, which pushes air between the screen protector and the surface of the iPad and ensures your canvas stays secure, eliminates slips, and enhances focus. So this might actually keep that color that I was talking about intact. You know, one of my biggest complaints when I first took off my screen protector is just how bright the colors are. Some of those colors you just lose by using a screen protector. So let's pop this open. So in the pack, I want to make sure I didn't miss anything. Nothing else in there. I am going to hold on to this just in case I have to take the screen protector off. It looks like there's some stickers here. And just the screen protector. So I'm going to use the power of editing just to show that the screen protector is on. Alright, so screen protector is on. I like to restart or turn off the iPad when I'm putting a screen protector on. But that was actually super seamless. I'm still shocked how easy that was. And I really like the vibrancy. This is actually a lot more textured than the Tech Armor. So I'm going to use it without the pen tip. Oh, forgot I restarted it. It's got to sync. Come on. Alright, and I made sure I cleaned the screen too. It was filthy. Doesn't feel like it's taking any layers off the pen tip. Nice and quiet. So now we're going to try it with the tip. Oh, you can't even hear it. This is going to be a game changer at night. Sometimes I keep my wife up because all she hears is, you know, the pencil on the iPad. And this time it's like super quiet. With the pen tip and the screen protector, I'm really enjoying it. I would definitely recommend this screen protector and the tips themselves. What I really want to do is do like a larger stress test using the pen tips, maybe drawing my comics. So look for one of those videos down the road and see how well the pen tips have held up, the screen protectors have held up. I will say it is awesome being able to switch, because I have two cases. I have this case here from ZTop. I found this on Amazon, and it's been a great case. It's nice and sturdy. But then I have the Magic Keyboard, and when I'm doing comics, I need the Magic Keyboard. So having the option to switch seamlessly and still have the screen protector is a game changer, because this screen protector, the reason why it's taking the beating that it has is because I'm switching between two different units. And this one allows me to switch between the Magic Keyboard and this case, and I don't have to worry about the screen protector. I can just pop it off or put it back on when I have the Magic Keyboard on. So super stoked. I'm really excited, and the outcome, I feel like I'm going to be a lot more productive because I feel like I had to overcompensate for color before. But now that I can see the vibrancy in these colors, like this Chun-Li right here, was very muted before. And now I feel like I can see that rich pink right here. And even the pencil just... I still have this on charcoal, so I should be able to use... Yeah, even... It's a nice little flow to it. Yeah, when I use charcoal, I like to layer, because then you can blend. Because our skin is semi-transparent, so you can see the greens and blues under my skin. So when you draw, you want to have that kind of effect of translucence. So, you know, with charcoal, I like to put down a layer and then put something over it and then slightly blend it, so you can still see the pores. This is a little trick I learned just from years of messing around with different tools. Anyways, that's for another video. Of course, the Art Sensei's got to talk about Art Sensei stuff, but this video is about pen tips. If you guys definitely want to pick it up, I will have the affiliate link in the comments and in the description down below as well. So you guys can pick something up. I'll get, you know, a little bit of a commission, and you guys get to pick up something cool from Pen Tips. I want to thank Pen Tips too, because normally when I reach out and tell people I'm going to make a video, they're like, cool, or they won't respond at all. But Pen Tips responded so quickly. Everyone I spoke to from the Netherlands, so that was crazy to get a response so quickly because I'm halfway across the globe. Super cool. They were more than gracious. I've talked to 3 different people in the company, and later on I'll find out if it's okay to say their names or not. But they've been in constant communication. They gave me the affiliate link. It's one of the most seamless partnerships I've ever had and sponsorships. So thank you so much to Pen Tips for sending me the extra stuff. Like I said, I did pay for these 2 sets myself, and then once I reached out, I got the free white ones, and then they sent me the screen protector. I am now a partner with them, so really would appreciate if you guys did support the channel. If you guys wanted to support the channel, you can purchase the Pen Tips from them, and it helps the channel because I am not monetized. Most of my videos are shorts, so they are not part of the partner program, but this way it kind of keeps the channel going. And I definitely want to keep making more videos like this. I miss being able to sit down and talk to everybody. My shorts can be kind of impersonal, so having the ability to talk to you guys in a video format, a long format, is super cool. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, don't forget to keep it over 9,000. Take care.